So you may think that the one for the roses are just that. Well, it's now not. It's the one for the storms. Because we're under the soil risk, a 2% tornado risk, a 15% wind risk, and a 15% hail risk. Here we go with the radios again. The radios are going to face off in the Kentucky Derby storms. They're going to activate for severe thunderstorm warnings, and there will be a severe thunderstorm warning, and there is a possibility that we will have a tornado warning. And they could even issue a flash flood warning if they still exist. Because they are focusing on flood warnings, not flash flood warnings anymore.
Activity will make it further southeast. Otherwise, an unsettled weather pattern with showers at times will persist for the first half of next week with somewhat cooler temperatures. Here are the noon observations.
Yeah, they made a public information. But again, currently, they're online, and they're going to be online for the WRC 41 for this absolute cases in New England. But then, so they've issued a strike risk, and that means we're doing yet another absolute cases in New England. But this is going to be a little bit of a different style. Normally I do, the normal titles, but today we're doing a Kentucky Derby-ish edition of absolute cases in New England. Welcome to the one for the storms. Absolute cases in New England presents My Old Kentucky Storms. Put anything away. No, they did not. I hope they didn't. There's no critical. Oh, look at that. Critical to mom. There's a watch possible. I waited to read this out today, so they issued a watch possible on that one. But in my area, it put up watch likely. So you know what? Unless they did the 11:59 one first. They would actually put severe thunderstorm watch number 218. So I hope they get severe thunderstorm watch number 218. They put tornado watch there. That's not gonna go well. River. Told that one in. It's over. Short storm heading to Columbia. So glad that that didn't issue anything. Airport weather warning. For cloud to ground lightning. There was another storm heading our way, and there was another one, I believe. I think. Oh, they got two. They got two of them. Cloud to ground lightnings. The great thing seriously. And I'm also gonna put up 17. And they did not put SBA, so I'm gonna call it. We got severe thunderstorm watch number either 218 or even 219. If the first one gotten the severe thunderstorm warning yet, and then you decided to put this. You know what? No. Yeah, no. Now let's see if I can get some more channels on my road. Yeah, no. So this one is the only one that's going to be on that particular channel. W actually 41 on this apparently. And then I decided to put some more stuff on my handy dandy stuff. KR Derby and that's severe weather. If I can focus it there. Yeah, Kentucky Derby and severe weather. So get ready soon. NWS when they no. Albany.
Is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Impacted include Coxsackie, Van Hosen Station, Lavina, Dormansville, Rossman, Rayville, Otter Hook, Riders Mill,
First SVR of the day.
Climax, Brick Tavern, Harlemville, South Chittack, Cairo Junction, Loretz Park, Buckleyville, Niverville, Leeds, Gayhead, and Hudson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating,
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties
in New York, Albany, Columbia, Greene, and Rensselaer.
Perfect.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe
First SVR today. That's for Albany, Columbia, Greene, and Rensselaer, and for 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. You know, SBC would like to get you out here. Here is your SVR. At Mickey D's.
Yeah, but I figured either way,
Hi there.
just in case,
okay?
like your hair gets.
I'm okay.
Lindsay
You
wanted
doing
to grab
good?
a few things.
I'm doing good. Here is your
Do you
Benetton.
want a longer
That was
phone
all.
cord,
Yeah.
phone charger?
No.
I have a longer one.
No, this is perfectly fine for me.
Okay.
We got a Storm on Solvent Pie.
Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch.
winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less.
Go!
40 miles per hour to
SBI number 218. SBA number 218, a lot of areas. Let's go! WXA footage! SBA number. Come on, activate WXO. Let's see. They're activating soon. Here comes. Gray is about to activate. Go. Pittsfield, go! WXA 41, go! SBA number 1218. Here we go! First activation of a severe thunderstorm! CCWT and Richfield, Berkshire. SBA. WXA 40.
Come on, let's go.
Orange. Okay, New York did something odd. The National Weather Service and up to New York says, oh yeah, they're not gonna answer it. They decided to issue it for Mr. Steve, Orange County. But yeah, here we go. First SBA of the day, Mr. Steve. Coming on. But anyways.
County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Columbia County and east central New York, southeastern Rensselaer County and east central New York, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located. Dalton, Adams Junction, Villanite, Stearnsville, Cary Corner, Bowens Corners, West Pittsfield, Buckleyville, and New Lebanon Center.
But see who are. I am not gonna go on WXL 47. But here that's yeah. Well, the only time it's been went to be on. The 300 did not activate, although the age of the SVA is not to activate for the SVR for Berkshire County. But look at that. SBR, first one of the day. We got one. Yes, it's until 2:30, which is going to be for about an hour. Well, they got the message saying that WXA41 will be off the air soon. What's this? Mount Holly. SBR for Sussex. Go! KWO35 and KZC31.
You are close enough to be struck by lightning. Room on the lowest floor of the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Wind and continuous clouds found lightning while occurring with the showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce showers and small hail this afternoon. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning showers with a chance of thunderstorms. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties: Orange, mostly New York, with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers, mainly in the evening. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 90%. Wednesday, partly sunny. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 2 p.m. At 1:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near High Point or near Montague, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Good.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Vernon Valley, High Point, Sussex, Montague, Haynesville, and Highland Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location Locations impacted include Phillipsport, Mount Vernon, Woodbridge, Glen Wild, Rock Hill, Spring Glen, Highview, Mount Prosper, Bridgeville, and Thompsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Sullivan, New York.
Yeah, with my two brothers. They take their business very seriously. Sure.
Sir. At 1:40 daylight time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong front.
Oh yeah, SBR for Duchess and Ulster. Right. They just continue the severe thunderstorm warning, and yes, this one. They just look at that. SBR.
The National Weather Service Boston Norton forecast also will be conducting a required scheduled update to their advanced weather processing system on 8 a.m. Monday. Wednesday, May 7th, 2025. As a result of this, this forecast will not be updated during the time. All NOAA weather radio transmitters operating by National Weather Service Boston will be off the air. This includes transmitters in Massachusetts, Boston, Spanish, and Gloucester. In Rhode Island, in Connecticut, Hartford. These services will be restored as soon as possible. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Hampshire and northwestern Franklin counties. At 2:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the severe thunderstorm was located over Shalimar, or 11 miles west of Greenfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour.
I think journalism's job has got tougher in the last 48 hours because Baeza got into the race.
The National Weather Service already has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Litchfield County and northern Connecticut, southwestern Berkshire County, southwestern Berkshire County,
Malcolm 940 repeater.
Central New York, southern Columbia County, and east central New York.
Episode, he says, it's like it never happened.
Yeah, listen, he's just, the dude is better with him.
Have a severe weather statement issued by National Weather Service out of Boston. Severe
Per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
5 p.m. for northwestern Hampshire and northwestern Franklin counties. At 2:24 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located in
Locations impacted include Rosewood Meadows, Nickel Pines, South Kansas,
quarter-size hail. Broadcast media at 2:02 p.m. Wind gusts of 56 miles. Potentially hail damage vehicles is expected.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Field 1
building.
Yankee Oscar at this time.
Struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia, Dutchess and Ulster, and Litchfield, Connecticut, and Berkshire, Massachusetts.
My name is Jack Hattie. I'm this.
We
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe the National Weather Service in Westfield, or 9 miles southwest of Greenfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Southern Connecticut County, Central New York, until 3:30 p.m. Local weather services Orange, Templeton, Wendell, Ottawa, Northfield, Deerfield, Jill, Conway, Livingston, Leverett, and Leiden. Greenfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour. North Heights, South Canyon, Curly's Corners, Lithgow, Linden Acres, Hillside, Glenville, Salisbury, Smithfield, North Hillsdale, Allender, Taconic, Washington Hollow, Jackson Corners. Orange, Templeton, Wendell, Ottawa, Northfield, Deerfield, Jill, Conway, Williston, Montague, Greenfield, Bernardston, Phillipston, Leverett, and Leiden.
Wow. I got 2 SBRs from WTTC, WXA42, WXA41, WFSB, and WXA47. Big wig.
Measured wind speed and the highest wind gust. That'll be very nice. And any specific reportable damage, such as flooding, power lines down, or trees down. At this time, are there any mobile stations wishing to check in? Please call with your call sign. Using proper phonetics, your name and location. Mobile stations only, please call now. Heard. We're now looking for any other stations to check in. Stations with report should check in again with your call sign. Using the proper phonetics, your name and location. Then acknowledge any check-ins and then call you in the order they're received for your reports. Stations with reports, please check in now with just your call sign, name and location. Kilo 1 Yankee Oscar.
This is Kilo Bravo 1, Alpha Kilo Uniform, Gary in Greenfield.
And we should recognize Kilo Bravo 1, Alpha Kilo Uniform. Gary, your information, please, sir.
At present, we are just getting very light rain, very sparse. No wind has picked up, and just hearing some thunder, but there is no current bad weather.
Okay, I understand. Very light rain, no wind gust, and no current bad weather this time. Thanks, Gary. Any additional stations for check-in at this time? This is K1 Yankee Oscar.
Star! On now!
Kilo Charlie 1, Bravo, Delta Romeo. The name is Eric. Out here in Springfield, 16 acres. It's sunny and calm.
Charlie 1, let's see, that was Bravo Delta Romeo. Got your information, Eric. Thank you, sir. Got some storms look like they're going to start moving into our area. The line is a couple miles northeast of us in the Springfield area at this time, but looks like things are popping up. Thanks for the information. This is Kilo 1 Yankee Oscar. Any additional stations for check-in for Skywarn at this time, please call now. Nothing. At this time, I'll keep listening for any potential check-ins as this weather moves in, but we'll formally close this net at this time. Reports provided will be sent to National Weather Service. The next net is estimated formally for 1,500 hours local, 3 p.m. local time, considering the weather that may be moving in now. At this time, we'll secure this net. Thanks in regards to anybody checking in and stations that stood by while this net was in progress. This is Kilo 1 Yankee Oscar signing the W1 TOM repeater. Now return this repeater back to normal amateur use at, let's see, 14:47 Eastern Time, 7-3. Your check-in, circle back and call you in the order that station will be checking out.
This Kilo Bravo 1. Station, Wellsville, Northwest Henwicton, and the Clayville.
But you'll have to get past another familiar face.
Where have you been all these years?
Hoping to turn.
Northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts.
Northwestern Worcester County and central Massachusetts.
Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm is located over Montague, or 8 miles southeast of Greenfield.
Central Hampshire County, Western Franklin County until 3:15.
Hazards include 60 miles per hour.
235 severe thunderstorm was located over Ashfield or 9 miles southwest of Greenfield.
Damage to trees and power lines.
Apologize, there may be another advisory, warning that came out.
Wendell, none.
Toco las Maizunas,
45 miles per hour.
360
60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South King, Lithgow, Redville, Salisbury, South Ammonia, Pleasant.
That current storm warning that we're looking at towards most of
Southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Storms were located along the line extending from near Norfolk to near Litchfield to 6 miles west of Litchfield, moving east at 45 miles. Vehicle-sized hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Enfield, Suffield, Simsbury, Pollard, Windsor, Southwick, Rocky Hills, Westfield, Newington, South Windsor, Granby, East Granby, New Bristol, Burlington, West Hartford, Southington, Greenville, Weathersfield, and Bloomfield. National Weather Service for include Enfield, Suffield, Simsbury,
Why did it say that? It's for me.
This is an Eyewitness News update.
Good morning. It's Saturday, May.
If we go here, I need to find the radar. I think I saw it. It should have said, expect for damage to the site. All cases detected includes.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your location.
Oh, it didn't say Springfield Chicopee. Should you just say more accurate if it just corrected, say Springfield Chicopee? Because that could be the one. That was the one. No deactivation.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hartford County, southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Norfolk to near Litchfield to 6 miles west of Ridgefield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Enfield, Suffield, Simsbury, Tolland, Windsor.
And it doesn't say in the text, so I'm just gonna say it. This is an SBR for Springfield, Chicopee, and West Springfield.
Include Holyoke, New Braintree, Ludlow, Belchertown, Westfield, South Hadley, Granby, Hardwick, North Brookfield,
Very bad lightning right now.
Warning for Windham County in northern Connecticut, Holland County in northern Connecticut, central Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's 4:06 p.m. We're located along a line extending from near Chicopee to near Somers to near Southington, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Millbury, Tolland, Stafford, Wales, Ashford, Ellington, Rocky Hill, Woodstock, Newington, South Windsor, Sturbridge, Monson, Thompson, Plainville, Glastonbury. Now for the official. Moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Millbury, Tolland, Stafford, Wales, Ashford, Ellington, Rocky Hill, Woodstock, Newington, South Windsor, Sturbridge, Monson, Thompson, Plainville, Glastonbury, Wethersfield, Somers, Pomfret, Berlin, and East Hartford.
Up there, Acme.
Up to 20 miles an hour. South after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, cloudy. Patchy fog in the morning. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Not as warm with highs around 70. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, showers likely. As a result of this work, this forecast will not be updated during the time. All your weather radio transmitters are Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Vernon, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Dudley, Willimantic, Tolland, Ashford, Ellington, Stock, South Windsor, Glastonbury, Putnam, Eastford, Pomfret, Coventry, Hampton, and Vernon. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oakland, or 15 miles west of Worcester, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Northborough, Sudbury, Carlisle, Stowe, Acton, Hardwick, Shirley, Iyer, Lincoln, Westford, Princeton, Berlin, Rutland, Hudson, Barry, Lunenburg, Clinton, Groton, and severe thunderstorm watch number 218 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Connecticut, Hartford and Tolland, and the following counties: in Massachusetts, Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester. Windham County in Massachusetts, Middlesex County, northeastern Massachusetts, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pittsburgh to near Berlin to Webster, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sudbury, Woburn, Belmont, Lynn, Grafton, Cambridge, Stowe, Acton, Dedham, Hopewell, Shirley, Eyre, Lincoln, Arlington, Methuen, Boston, Westford, Needham, Hudson, and Holliston. For the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Connecticut and southwest Massachusetts, including Hartford and...
Well, what a way to end this episode. You Eastern is the best. Now we got one for Connecticut.
Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Kisco, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stanford and New Canaan around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ridgefield and Wilton around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Weston and Reading around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fairfield around 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Newtown and Trumbull around 7 p.m.
Oh, can we act to the... Oh, yes! Another SVR! This up for Fairfield County. And now, before it gets too late, I'm gonna see if Theme can